Steve, I'm really thirsty.
You need to drink more water.
You know, I hear there's like this really great water place in Carlsbad. They have like some special spring water. I think I'd like to try that. What do you think?
Let's go.
All right. The Village Rock Shop has gemstones and healing crystals. They do sell rocks. Ooh, those are pretty. Nick's on State, which is a steakhouse. Then the State Street Commons, which used to be an antique mall, has Pure Taco and Lofty Coffee Bakery and some shops, and Masfina Cantina at the end. For over 22 years, the New Village Arts Center has been a hub of theater, musical, and arts events in Carlsbad. They even teach salsa dancing. So I found some water, but I don't think this is what we're looking for.
Nah.
Handles began making ice cream in 1945 in Youngstown, Ohio, but came to Carlsbad in 2019. So this place is so cool. You get a wristband, and then you can try out any one of the drinks. You just hold your wristband in front of the tap, and then it measures how much goes into your cup. Then you just pay for what you drink. I do love me some sparkles. This place is pretty cool. Grab a seat here. They've got fire pit in the back, and it's dog friendly. They got a bunch of water bowls. Remember this place, Steve?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, you're from Philly. What'd you think of their cheesesteaks here?
Thought it was very good. And the Phillies won.
Found another fountain, a wishing fountain. Lots of money in this one. I don't think this is the secret water place I'm looking for, though.
No.
How you feeling about some wine?
I definitely need some wine.
Looks like they have a lot. Look at all these barrels.
Get me a picture.
Pitcher of wine. Say it again.
Here's some water. Is this what you're looking for?
Is there any in there?
Looking pretty dry.
So he was telling me that the strawberries need to grow by the ocean. He's like a food scientist, and he's gonna start making like strawberry hot sauce. He already does all the sauces for Stone Brewing Company with his strawberries, and he gets his strawberries from all up and down the coast here. It's pretty interesting. He said he's a food scientist.
Nice. Yeah.
Still a cool place though. Yeah, they got the upstairs bar. Yeah, it's fun. We're sitting at the fire pit. Of course, they don't have... Still a cool place though, right?
Yeah, I love this place.
Food's not bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good. You gotta get the healthy stuff.
See if we can get that in the background. see a record store too often anymore, do you? Carlsbad mineral water was discovered in 1882 by Captain John Fraser when he drilled a well for his farm near the beach. The water cured a stomach ailment that he had suffered from for years. Intrigued, he sent the water to be tested in a laboratory in New York and Chicago. The results showed that his water is very similar to the therapeutic spring waters found at a famous European spa at the time called Carlsbad. Today, that city is in the Czech Republic and is still famous for its therapeutic spas. So I finally found the water. Very excited. The history of this place is pretty cool. Unfortunately, you have to buy a gallon at a time, and I can't fill up my little cup here. But it is only $1 a gallon, which is pretty awesome. You can bring your 5-gallon jugs and put it in here and fill them up and take it home. I found it. Turns out they bottle it, only it's not $1 a gallon. It's what, $3.49? Oh wow. So what'd you think of it?
Awesome.
It's also very cold.
It's very good. Hello, everybody.
You're so funny.
Time for another video.
So that was a fun day today.
Yes, I had a very nice time.
What was your favorite?
I like the wine center, and I got to see a lot of different shops I didn't know existed. A lot of cool restaurants, and to top it off, we went to the beach and saw beachgoers and all the bikers, and
They do have a great path there along the beach.
Yeah, it's a very pretty setting.
I got my water.
I just want to thank everyone for watching this video, and please like and subscribe.
We'll see you next week.